What to do with all that zucchini? 7 pounds of zucchini that I got from the garden in one day. What in the world do you do with it? So let's make some homemade lasagna. So the first step, I put in those no-bake lasagna noodles in my casserole dish, and then I'm adding some meat sauce. And that's just spaghetti sauce mixed with some cooked hamburger. And I have a nice deep casserole dish because I'm going to make this into 3 layers. The shredded zucchini that was peeled and shredded is added to the cottage cheese, 1 egg, Parmesan cheese, and I mix that all together and I'm spreading it out in the casserole dish. And this really turned out good. You cannot taste the zucchini. It just takes on the flavor of whatever it's cooked with. So I repeated this process of the layers of the noodles, the meat sauce, the cottage cheese and zucchini, and then I topped it with some mozzarella. And I did this process, I think it was 3 times. That's why I used such a deep dish. Very easy, and then you just bake it in the oven like you do your lasagna. But nobody really knew that I had added that zucchini in there. You didn't see it, and it's just a good way to use up zucchini. And to finish, I just topped it off with some more mozzarella cheese and then baked it in the oven for 30 minutes at 350. Zucchini is such a versatile vegetable. You can just use it in so many ways. And I really enjoyed using it in this lasagna dish. Again, if you peel it and chop it, they will never know. And there's the finished product. It was very delicious. The whole family ate it up. We had a nice hearty supper. The next thing I did with spaghetti, a couple of weeks later, we had a big spaghetti birthday dinner, and I pulled out some of the spaghetti sauce and I tossed in some zucchini and mushrooms. I had sauteed the mushrooms and the zucchini in some butter, and then I just stirred it into the spaghetti sauce. And the ladies at the birthday party loved it. The guys weren't too thrilled about trying it, but it was very good. So you can always cut up zucchini and put it in spaghetti sauce. And that's another way to use up all those zucchini that you're getting out of the garden right now. It was delicious, and the zucchini took on the taste of the spaghetti sauce. It was so good. And I just sprinkled on some Parmesan cheese and some shredded cheddar, and it was delicious. Another way to use up zucchini is to make Chow Chow, and I'll link below my Chow Chow video. But I made 2 batches of Chow Chow relish with the shredded zucchini and other good garden vegetables. Of course, you can make zucchini nut bread. So there are many ways to use up those zucchini. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and thank you so much for subscribing, and have a very blessed day.